this is Pony TV giving you the latest English bulletin at 7. I'm LAKSMIBAI Tangzam. Now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said that the upcoming assembly elections in Manipur will decide the state's future for the next 25 years. This polls will decide next 25 years of Manipur. The process of stability and peace that started in the last 5 years. PM Modi also stated that the Manipur party never
Manipur Imana in 7 नागरिकों को 7 out of 10 इतने लोग आशीर्वाद दे रहे थे। मैं सचमुच में आप लोगों इस प्यार से, आप लोगों के आशीर्वाद से बहुत ही ऊर्जा का अनुभव करता हूं, एक नई ताकत का अनुभव करता हूं। इतना आशीर्वाद देने के लिए, इतना स्नेह बरसाने के लिए मैं मणिपुर की मातृशक्ति को भी विशेष रूप से प्रणाम करता हूं। आपका ये उत्साह बता रहा है कि मणिपुर में फिर एक बार डबल इंजन की सरकार बनने जा रही है।
In the meantime, the Manipur total shutdown call given by the band Korkom to boycott Prime Minister's Manipur visit on Tuesday affected normal life. However, no untoward incidents were reported during the strike. The United People's Revolutionary Front of Manipur UPRF also boycotted the visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Manipur. Just after Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a mega BJP rally at Imphal in Manipur on Tuesday, the Congress has accused him of propagating lies for votes. In Imphal today, the Jagat Guru of Jut, universal master of lies, was true to his nature, senior Congress leader Jairam Ramesh said. Among his many lies were PM claimed full coverage when Manipur is among the worst in the country on vaccination rates. Only 47.6% of eligible population have got double dose, Jairam Ramesh said. He added, PM claimed balanced development in Manipur and taking administration to the door. The truth is BJP government has effectively shut the doors of the autonomous district councils by not holding elections in the last 5 years. This is murder of democracy in the hills and the grassroots. PM claimed poor performance in the power sector under the Congress government when the truth is his own government gave a national award to the Congress government in 2015-16 for power sector reforms, Ramesh further said. The senior Congress leader further said PM claimed palm oil plantations will benefit Manipur's farmers, while the truth is it is a transfer of profits and farmlands to 2 to 3 big palm oil companies. PM made toll claims on bringing railways to Manipur. Truth is Congress government completed over 70% of the project by 2017, he added. Lastly, why was the PM completely silent on fundamental issues of Manipur, AFSPA, MSP and irrigation for farmers, rising youth unemployment, price rise of essential commodities in Manipur much above national average, and rising drug threat from across the border? Jairam Ramesh questioned. He added the truth is the people of Manipur are fed up with the double-engine government of BJP in Delhi and Imphal. The mood of Manipur is clear. Manipur reported further dip in COVID cases with 42 fresh infections, which took the total tally to 136,548. 3 deaths were reported in the past 24 hours, taking the death toll to 2,104. As per the Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room, the positivity rate was recorded at 2.8%. The State COVID-19 Command Control Room said the fresh infections were confirmed after testing 1,478 samples in the past 24 hours. It added that 70 persons were discharged in the same hours. A BL gas service was inaugurated at Nonne Bazaar in Nonne district under Kangla Gas Solution Imphal on Tuesday. It is the first ever fiber gas cylinder to be introduced in the northeastern region of India. It is also an advanced technology from Kangla Gas Solution. Nonne DFO Napoleon Rangmai inaugurated the BL gas service and presented chairman of Kangla Gas Solution, Kangjam Vuneswar, managing director of Kangla Gas Solution, and Longmai village leaders. Now let's take a short break. Keep watching.
Aikoi boat pigani adubu tumduna leba mida nate flight connectivity hengalhanba helicopter service porakpa kangbu da pigani thanti lairabadi chakhatpa lei BJP lairabadi thajaba lei
thambagi markada namlasi BJP bu mai pakhallasi.
Welcome. After the break, you're watching Pone TV English News at 7. Leader of the opposition Manik Sarkar on Monday lashed out at the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party and held it responsible for the inflation of unemployment in Tripura. Sarkar said lack of employment opportunities driving youth towards violence. The incidence of violence against opposition party workers, especially the left workers, is a fallout of unemployment. Sarkar was briefing the media persons at the residence of left workers that came under attack late on Sunday night. According to the CPIM, motorcycle-borne BJP workers ransacked their houses and launched vandalism. The attack was carried out when none of the male members of the family was in the house. The women of the house were shattered while recounting the horrific show of strength by the ruling party workers. Such attacks are signs of cowardice, said Sarkar. Before coming to power, the BJP promised that the issue of unemployment will be addressed. A missed call in a particular number shall act as a guarantee to jobs. In a special drive, 50,000 vacant posts would be filled up, but all these promises turned out to be hollow, he claimed. State-run Numaligarh Refinery Limited (NRL) has joined hands with a Finnish company to manufacture ethanol out of bamboo. NRL Managing Director Bhaskar Jyoti Phukan said the company has invested heavily in a bioethanol plant. NRL has tied up with a Finnish firm to manufacture ethanol out of bamboo. Bamboo will be procured from the farmers, and the plant can be a backup supplier of oil marketing companies in the Northeast for blending motor spirit with ethanol, Phukan said. The MD said to reduce carbon emissions, the NRL is trying to get out of captive power generation and get connected to the grid, for which it has to do a power purchase agreement with a green power producer. He said that India needs to get out of the volatility of crude prices. Phukan said since the Northeast has plenty of water, hydrogen can be locally produced and be used as a green fuel. He said there is a need to monetize gas reserves lying underneath and also storing of carbon dioxide in dead wells and reservoirs. India said on Tuesday that the escalation of tensions along the border between Ukraine and the Russian Federation was a matter of deep concern, and that these developments had the potential to undermine peace and security in the region. This was spelled out at the emergency meeting called by the United Nations Security Council (UNSC) after Russia's President Vladimir Putin recognized the independence of 2 Russian-backed separatist regions in eastern Ukraine. The immediate priority, India said, was to de-escalate the crisis in Eastern Europe. Internationally, Russia's actions are widely seen as violation of a sovereign nation's territorial integrity and a breach of international law and agreements, including the Minsk Agreements of 2014 and 2015 between Kyiv and the Russian-backed separatists, and the 1994 Bucharest Memorandum, originally signed by the Russian Federation, the US, and UK on security assurances against threats or the use of force affecting the territorial integrity or political independence of Ukraine, as per a media report. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at the top news headlines again. Manipur polls will decide next president. Congress accuses Prime Minister Narendra Modi of lies and lies. Thank you for watching Pony TV. For more updates, keep watching Pony TV and stay tuned.